So Heidi, you're telling me that if I get the property, I get the boat?
Hard to believe, but true.
Oh my God, I can't wait to see the property. If this is the boat, I can't imagine the property.
Let's go.
Let's go. Hello everyone, welcome back. And today we're with our real estate associate, Heidi Rutledge, touring a wonderful property. Again, Heidi, thank you so much for being with us again.
My pleasure.
Tell us, what do you have installed for us today?
I have something very special installed for you today because this penthouse that we're in is extremely unique. We're on Ocean Reef Island.
Beautiful.
The density here is very low, so we have very low-rise buildings. This building is 6 stories high, and we're on the 5th and 6th floor, which is the penthouse of
Wonderful.
Casa del Mar.
Okay, so 2 floors.
2 floors.
All right,
yes.
fantastic.
So on the upper level where we are now, you can see we have the living space where you have your dining room, your living room, your open kitchens.
I love open kitchens. So modern, fresh, I love it.
It's very common here on the island because you want to, of course, enjoy the outstanding views that Ocean Reef offers. So
And I love how this property is so fresh. Like, I love the white marble, the white walls. Like, you almost cool down when you walk into the property.
and high ceilings too, which
Exactly.
makes it feel larger, although it is a very good size, just over 300 square meters, so
Very nice.
3,200 square feet.
All right.
You can see here in the kitchen, we've got plenty of space, a big island in the center, all Miele appliances,
Very
lots of light.
important, the Miele, very important.
All Miele, you've got light from both sides, so
Lovely.
very bright. You know, you can socialize with everybody in the living space. An 8-seat dining room table, although it could be a 12 because you have plenty of space.
100%. And obviously, the crown jewel is this beautiful view that we're looking at right now.
Yes.
I mean, that is that a ship going into the Panama Canal
There's
right there?
numerous ships going through. You can see there's a tanker, looks like a car carrier. Oh, there's
Beautiful.
even a cruise ship.
There you go. And you've got the marina, you've got the ocean. I just find the ocean so peaceful. And the fact that you can be on the ocean, but also in the city at the same time, because people don't realize it, but we're like 3 minutes away from Trump Tower, from Punta Pacifica. I mean, it's literally the center of the city, but at the same time, you're in an oasis of tranquility.
Yeah, we're in the heart of the city, yet a million miles away.
I mean, this is absolutely wonderful. So if I want this little slice of paradise on this private island in the middle of Panama City, is this available for purchase or for rent?
This property is actually available for rent.
Okay.
There are a lot of people that are looking to relocate to Panama, and they want to test the waters first. So they prefer to rent for a year or 6 months, you know, to see if it's really for them, which in the end they always find out that it is.
Of course.
So we do have this property for rent.
Nice.
Some people jump right in, and other people prefer to, you know, rent for a while first to see if they like the area and then move forward with purchase.
Awesome. Now, Heidi, I want to take a look at this wonderful balcony because definitely, I mean, this is huge.
It is. I mean, you can see how spacious it is. There's plenty of room. You can have your little sitting area out here. You can have your barbecue if you want.
Beautiful.
And the views, again, outstanding.
Quick reminder, if you're interested in gaining early access to our full Panama relocation course, you can find the link in the description below. So Heidi, because I know that you love to do this, and I know that, look, if you grab a boat and you head into that direction for, I want to say about 2 hours, if I'm not mistaken, maybe a bit less, you can get to the Pearl Islands.
That is correct. I like to call the Pearl Islands Panama's Tahiti.
Oh, that's very nice.
Breathtaking. An hour and a half, really,
Okay.
depending on your boat.
So tell us something, Heidi, because I'm pretty sure everyone is now excited about these islands. Do we have any properties we can show them on the Pearl Islands?
Javier, I would love to take you there. Love
really?
to take you there. I have some outstanding properties in the Pearl Islands. That's actually where a Survivor was filmed
Oh, very
on a
nice.
few occasions.
Okay.
So there's a lot to see out there.
All
And
right.
Yeah, I would love to take you.
Okay. Well, guys, you heard Heidi. So there are properties on the Pearl Islands. So let us know in the comments down below if you want Heidi and I to show you some tremendously beautiful properties on the Pearl Islands. So you can check them out right here on the Rothbard channel.
The best amenity that this has, that I don't know of any building that has it either, is a 37-foot pursuit.
Ooh, very
Yes, a boat that you have access to as a resident. It's like you have the pool, you have the gym, you have the urban garden, you have the infinity pool, you have the lounge, and you have a boat.
All of these beautiful amenities, this beautiful apartment, all these paradise-like islands are available for you with a beautiful territorial tax system to match. I mean, it can't get any better than that. All the lifestyle, all the great weather, all the beauties of living in Panama, and on top of that, extremely low taxes, and with the right planning, potentially even zero tax while you live here in Panama. So, I mean, it can't get any better than this, folks. No other place on earth can compare. Now, Heidi, now that we're talking about living, can we go check out those beautiful bedrooms you mentioned? Let's go.
Let's go. Okay, so apart from the 3 bedrooms I mentioned down here, we've got the spacious family room. You can use it as an office or TV room.
Very lovely.
Again, all of the bedrooms have the marina view, which is very unique.
Yeah, it's very rare. It's extremely rare. Normally you get the master bedroom with the great views, but then the other bedrooms get a secondary view. But here, everyone gets the prime view.
The kitchen, the living room, the dining room, all 3 bedrooms have a view of the marina.
So and then the surrounded by the ocean.
Yeah, and you've got light, picture windows on the opposite side as well. If you want cross ventilation, open everything up. And
beautiful. So you go to sleep looking at the ocean. You wake up, you've got the ocean. Do you get sunrise or sunset on this side?
Here you have the sunset.
Oh, beautiful.
So at the end of the day, you can sit out on your private terrace off your master bedroom and watch the sunset.
Which, just to clarify, so this is another floor. So we were in the general balcony where you would entertain your guests, and this is your private terrace in your own master bedroom. There's a wonderful swimming pool in this apartment as well, right?
There is.
Can we go check it out?
Yes, let's go.
Let's go.
Look at this. I mean, you've got an infinity pool, you've got the lounge chairs in the shallow end of the pool if you just want to lay relax. You've got a barbecue area on the upper level, which is the highest floor in the building. You've got a sky bar.
Oh, this is very nice. Go drink with the guys, drink with the gals, have a little bit of a party, a meeting up here.
Come up and work by yourself. If you want to get out of the apartment, come bring your laptop and enjoy the view from up here.
So Heidi, as per usual, I'm going to try to guess to see if I can get this right this time. So I'm going to try to guess a purchase price. I know you said it's not for sale, but I'm trying to do an estimate, and I'm going to try to estimate the rental value.
Okay.
All right? So let's see. Again, Florida's always my baseline, and then I go down from there because obviously, Panama's more affordable. I want to say that maybe on the rental side, we're looking at maybe 12, 11,000 a month, maybe 10 at least.
You want me to tell you?
Of course I do.
Okay, well, it is fully furnished. I don't know if I mentioned that. So it's turnkey, everything included. For rent, we have it listed at $9,000 a month.
Wow.
And that includes all of the amenities, of course, that I mentioned, and the boat.
Of course, well, that's extremely great value for your dollar. I mean, $9,000 a month with access to a boat, a swimming pool, a great lounge area up here,
the
garden you mentioned, and living on a private island. I mean, that's not easy to find anywhere else.
Yeah, remember on the island too, you have the amenities of the tennis, the paddle, you've got the yacht club, the restaurant.
Well, thank you so much, guys, for joining us. Thank you so much, Heidi.
My pleasure.
And so, guys, if you're looking for real estate in Panama, relocation with a full tax plan, rothbardgroup.com. We've got the real estate people. We've got the tax people. We're your one-stop shop. See you next time. If you're interested in gaining early access to our full Panama relocation course, you can find the link in the description below.